Check out this delicious recipe, you guys. This is a dump and go, a peach cake, whatever you want to call it. But everything was homemade, you guys. Check it out. Try this recipe and tell me how you like it. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So you guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And I am gonna make me a quick cake recipe. Quick cake recipe, you guys. Now what I have added in here already was 3 eggs and 6 ounces of softened butter. That's what I have in this mixture. 3 eggs, wait a minute. And some butter. Now you can use whatever butter of your choice. Now I know everyone cooks their cakes differently, but that's what I have here today. Because I am making a quick cake mix to get rid of these peaches. Okay, to get rid of these peaches. And so yes, we're going to use all-purpose flour as basically our base for our cake mix. So yeah, your girl got 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and we're just going to go ahead and put that in slowly. And we're going to get these lumps out of here. Yes, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl thought she was videoing. So like I say, you guys, this is just a quick cake recipe using all-purpose flour. And we're going to go ahead and get that right on in here. We're going to incorporate this together. Because your girl had these peaches just laying around and she got to get rid of them. So in this mixture, like I say, I use 1 cup of sugar, 6 ounces of softened butter, and 3 eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and finish incorporating this together. Okay, guys, so we have all of our flour in here. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and make sure you cream. Your butter is softened before you make it. And your first steps is to make the butter and the sugar together. Mix those two together. Add a little vanilla if that's your choice. But look at this texture of this cake mix. And also add your eggs after you have combined the butter and the sugar. Add your eggs. Okay? And like I say, slowly incorporate your flour. You could do it by hand or you could do it by mixer. You know, as I was mixing this up, You know, it made me think of a special person. That's Grandma Karma. Oh, that smells so good. It's definitely vanilla cake mix. Okay, so like I said, you guys, we have this can of peaches, right? Now, what am I going to do with this can of peaches? Well, we're just going to incorporate a little peach juice in here. Just a little. Because we want that flavor of peaches, right? And I'm draining the rest of it off. Now, I know some of y'all say, no, she didn't. Yes, I did. Okay? Yes, I did. I put me a little peach juice in here. Just to get a cake, a little peach flavor. Why? Because we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our peaches in here. Now, how I'm going to do this is we're going to, let's see, because your girl wondering too. I'll put them on top. So we're going to go ahead and put our cake mix right on in, just like so. Just like so. Ooh, let me rinse my hands off. Grab me a fork. And we're going to go on and make sure that this is evenly spread it. Just evenly spread it all around here. We're going to put some peaches right in here, just like so. Now this recipe is pretty much the same as a dumpling cake. You know, I had a person come in my comment area and say she don't think that the waffles that I made was actually homemade. And I had to inform her that self-rising flour has all the basic ingredients, you guys. Self-rising flour has all the basics for basically anything that you really want to cook in the kitchen, you guys. It has the flour, it has the baking soda, the baking powder, you know, it has all of that, the salt, you know. So you guys, don't be afraid to experiment with your self-rising. So now we have our oven on 350, and I'm going to cook this cake until maybe 25 30 minutes, or until I smell it. Smelling your baked goods are very important to keep a lookout on. So yeah, or it goes golden brown. We'll be back with the finishing cake. Okay guys, so we have our half a cup of powdered sugar, because I am going to make a glaze to go on top. And you can get whatever brand of sugar you prefer. Now I also have approximately a tablespoon of melted butter. Okay. Of melted butter. Oh, I need me a spoon. And we're just gonna go. We have some milk over here. We're gonna add us a little vanilla. Not that much. And we're gonna add us a little milk. Because I want my glaze to be thick. And we're going to get all the lumps out. So I think that is the consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm going to sit this in the refrigerator. Delicious cake. Oh my heavens. Yes, check it out, you guys. So we're going to go on in and we're going to cut it. Now, this is not the complete part of the end part of the video. No, it's not. Yeah, I can't. So as you see, my cake is done. I'm just making sure that I cut through the peaches, because I don't want to rip it, because I don't have a cake cutter. But I want to cut them into squares. I want to cut them into squares. Well, I'm going to leave those bigger pieces. Got that first piece. So let me get my spatula, because we're going to add these cakes right onto here. To my cake pan, you guys. We're going to add them right onto our cake pan. Oh, look at there. Delicious peaches right there in the middle. Gonna add them on just like so. Because we want to let them cool. You guys, look at that deliciousness. I left me one in here. You guys, let me get some of this out the way because your girl want to test it. Now, I'm not a sweet person anymore, but I just want to test it. You guys, look at that fluffiness. Ah. Mmm. Now that is cake. You guys check that out. That is some delicious cake. Mmm. Mmm. It kind of tastes as if it's a sponge cake. But even if it is, you guys, delicious recipe. Like I said, delicious recipe to try at home, you guys. Yes, if you got this far in the video, thumbs me straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. Let me put this like this. Come join your girl. Leave a comment below and let me know, do you enjoy some homemade cake? You guys, I enjoy quality time with you guys. Yes, try this recipe. It's something simple and quick. It's a dump and go cake made slightly different, I guess you could say. And yes, this recipe was so easy. And I had to get rid of the can of peaches that I had laying around here, you guys. So yes, I'll see you guys on the next video. But meantime, try this recipe. Tell me how you like it. So I am sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. Try this recipe. It's something simple and quick. It's a dump and go cake made slightly different, I guess you could say. And yes, this recipe was so easy. And I had to get rid of the can of peaches that I had laying around here, you guys. So yes, I'll